As we all know, quality is the lifeline of our machines. Today, we're taking you inside Longson's production workshop to check out an important step before every K-series high-speed laser tube cutter leaves the factory. The no-load and load tests on each axis. When a machine is running at high speed, even the smallest mechanical gap or transmission error can cause the cutting path to shift. That's why we run no-load tests on every axis to bring that risk down to zero. First, we switch the machine from standby mode into a dedicated testing mode. It's basically like changing its working environment, so both the control system and the power system can get into the right state for high-intensity testing. Then we let the X, Y, Z, and B axes run at high speed along preset paths, repeating the motion tens of thousands of times, 1+ hours, a long, high-frequency stress test that confirms the machine's stability. These high-intensity no-load tests help reveal any hidden issues early on. Small assembly flaws, like loose connectors or tiny gear gaps, show up right away, so our engineers can fix them before the machine leaves the factory. It also helps the guide rails, screw rods, and other key parts settle into their best working condition, ensuring the machine is delivered at its highest quality. After tens of thousands of no-load cycles, the machine's repeated positioning accuracy and dynamic stability are fully proven, so it stays in top shape even during high speed, high-frequency cutting in real production.